Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by configuring inputs so recordings are reliable. First, enable the microphone or stereo mix in Windows sound settings and confirm levels are audible. Next, open Sharex and navigate to Task Settings, then Screen Recorder. Once there, choose your audio source under the speaker's /mic dropdown and set quality. Default 192 kbps is fine for voice. Make sure your device is not muted, and run a quick sound test before moving on so recordings aren't ruined later. Now you refine recording options to match your needs. If you need more formats and control, choose FFmpeg as the recorder. Otherwise, the built-in option works for simple capture. Then set container and audio parameters, select a stable bitrate and a 44. 1K Hz sample rate with stereo if you want system plus mic mixed. Next, assign a hotkey for start/stop and enable system audio or microphone mix as required. Once done, test a short clip to verify levels and file output format are correct. You're ready to record. Press your hotkey and watch the audio meters so you catch clipping or silence early. When finished, stop recording. Sharex saves to your output folder where you can trim or export the file. If audio is missing, check the selected input, ensure FFmpeg path is set when used, confirm Sharex and microphone permissions, and revisit Windows sound levels. If problems persist, restart Sharex or the PC. This often restores device access and clears driver conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.